Hey everybody, Matt, IronTrap Garage, and we are doing a mail call. I got my new parts runner, mail runner car, the 39 Forgotten Hot Rod. Has been is going to daily duty at this point, so it is time for mail call, and we got a bunch of stuff for mail call. So we got a bunch of packages. We're gonna open them up as always. Kate's waiting inside, nice and comfortable. Moon's running around. We're gonna get everybody inside and see what you guys sent us. Lemon. Come on, buddy. Oh my God. What is it? What's in here? What is it, Moon? What's it? What did they give you? All right. It is mail call day. We have a little bit of free time. We're going on another adventure to Carlisle here shortly, and we have a little bit of time. Moon is like, mail call has gotten out of hand with Moon, and between that and his bark box, he is like
obsessed with mail.
And boxes, he like freaks out. Every UPS package is Moon's.
Well, hopefully there's actually snacks inside these boxes and magazines.
So, without further ado, you want to open this one from, oh my God.
G. Scott.
G. Scott from
Scotland.
And you want me to open?
Yeah, this looks very well wrapped.
Moon.
I know, you're excited.
Moon. We might have got him a little riled up in the beginning.
A little. A lot.
Moon.
You're gonna have to sharpen that knife after this box.
Yeah, it's ready already because I see stuff. I see. Moon. Moon, I think I see a prize for you. Oh!
What?
All right. Is there a letter in here before we?
Well, I don't know.
Oh man.
No, I don't see one.
Oh, there's some paper
Wait,
right
I've
there.
heard about these things, tea cakes. They sound delectable, and I'm excited.
Looks like there's a letter in there, at the bottom.
No.
Oh, that's part of the box.
Yeah. No letter. We got Mackey's of Scotland, Hagen's, and cracked black pepper potato crisps. I can't wait to try these.
Haggis?
These are from Scotland. What's that?
Oh, it is suitable. Okay, it is suitable for us. Thank you. Because haggis is sheep's stomach, I believe. Right?
What?
Yeah, haggis is like.
Yeah, but it says on the bag that it's suitable for us, so it's okay.
Suitable for vegetarians and vegans.
It's just flavoring, probably.
Yeah, it's probably just a flavoring.
Moon, let's try it. What do we got? This one's the cracked. Move this box. Moon is out of control.
Haggis, neeps,
Here, I'll
and
take the
patties.
box.
Gently cooked to perfection.
All right. What's that flavor?
Haggis, neeps, and I think they're.
This is cracked in black pepper. All right, man. He has to wait for me to try it. Moon. All right.
Oh, it's almost like a barbecue.
Yeah, the pepper taste is real good. See, Moon uses us as his taste tester, like a king would.
A court jester.
Yeah, we're the court jesters. We have to try the food first to make sure it's safe, and then he will eat it.
I wish my dogs were that polite.
Ooh. Yeah, they're good too.
What flavor's that?
Haggis, neeps, and patties.
I don't even know what that means, but
I don't either.
Very
and
English,
I'm probably
very
saying
English
it wrong.
sounding.
Yeah, it's good.
I like how thick these are.
Yeah, and I like how the flavor is like there, but like mild.
yeah, right.
Like it's not like overpowering like a lot of like American chips are.
Well, the American chips are like crisps, or American crisps are
Milk chocolate tea cakes.
very like, they put so much flavor in on them now. It's like the cheese is like, oh my God.
I've heard of these. These look delectable.
That's all you.
I don't know. It's not all chocolate. There's cake in it. Oh, it's marshmallow. That's right.
That's all.
Oh, That looks so different than like a American marshmallow.
Wow, it's got a little wafer inside of it.
I think you might like these.
Okay.
It's almost like a s'more.
We didn't bring a drink out. This is horrible.
I'm coffee.
That's not gonna help. I might help with that.
You need water in the fridge?
No.
Oh my god. Might just have one.
We'll keep moving here.
I'm off camera, so I can try one.
All right, so thank you for that. We'll be sending a little care package back your way. That is awesome that we got some Scottish treats there. Just amazing. The chips are like on point. Those black pepper ones are like really good. So this is from
Fluffernutter.
yeah.
But better.
Marshmallow spread.
This is from Dan's Garage in North Carolina and Raleigh, North Carolina. And this is from, he sent us some stickers that we'll put up in the shop. So this is from Dan's Garage. Thank you, Dan. We appreciate that. Find a spot to put them. We'll send you some stickers back your way.
I don't know what this is.
This one is from, I think it says GG or GC, I'm not sure.
Gigi Allen?
No. It would be covered in feces if it was.
Well, he's also no longer with us.
Nope. Obviously. Anyways.
That was your tail.
Okay. So, oh wow. So some
There's stuff written on every photo.
Oh my god. All right, so this is a photos of a really kick-ass old hot rod. I'm gonna let Mike hold these up to the camera. Hibbing Timing Association, Hibbing, Minnesota. Wow.
Wow, they all have like a legit like paragraph on the back of each photo.
Yeah, so we'll, Mike will show you here, but it's a 32.5 window.
Ooh,
Kick-ass.
some kick-ass signs behind it too.
I know.
That louvered trunk is pretty kick-ass.
So we'll put some notes on the screen here about kind of the cliff notes about the car. Thank you for that. That's really, really cool. And congratulations on owning such an amazing historic hot rod. That's what we all dream about.
Deuce Coupe. That thing is bitchin'.
Very cool. So thank you for that. We'll send a little care package back your way as well. Next one is from Mortsk. I'm probably saying this wrong. Repair in Foreman, North Dakota. He sent us some stickers as well. It's it's a pretty cool sticker. So thank you for that. We'll trade you some stickers. The sticker door is getting...
Running out of room.
Oh, they're all different. C10.
Oh yeah, crap.
Cool.
And there's some little ones. So we'll share some of those, and that's part of the stuff that goes in our, we're gonna be doing a Christmas in July giveaway again. So like we did last time, it's gonna be really cool. We'll be giving away some extras from what we got, and then we'll also be working with some sponsors to get you guys some stuff. All right, this is from Tony Z in Bedford Park, Illinois. Yeah, those chips are, could use a drink. All right.
They're delicious though. The downside to getting snacks from other places is that we can't get them here.
I know, we get addicted to it. I see a glove. Glove. And some washers. Ooh. A gauge. Cool. Let's see, more gloves. These are like super handy. Ooh, there's stuff in the gloves.
It's packing material.
These gloves are really handy, thank you, because when we go picking and stuff, I keep them in the truck, and a lot of times they get like just destroyed and we want adventure out of them. An amp gauge, thank you. What is this one? Megan's like, what do you see, buddy? It is not like something awesome for you, I'm sorry. Ooh,
It's something awesome though.
yeah, this is really cool. This is like what we have in the 39. Cool temperature gauge, not store Warner, but it's still like a 60s, I believe, vintage.
Electronic.
A Mac Tools current indicator. Little tester.
You got to start a vintage Mac Tools.
Yeah.
Drawer
this
now.
is like the gauge for a tester. There's got to be a vintage Mac Tools guy that might want this. That's really cool. Ooh, this is cool. Little Imperial ashtray. Vintage ashtray in there. You could add on. Oh my God, more gloves.
Well, what's in the gloves?
I know, there's like, it's crazy. More gauges. My God.
They were just packing material.
Yeah. But we'll use the, oh, that's cool. Neat little coffin needle. I've never seen one of these before.
Oh,
Low
that's,
pressure gauge.
that color's really neat.
Yeah.
It's got a number in the bottom. Maybe we can find out what it's from and put a set together.
Oh, that's cool too. American Standard fuel gauge. 6-volt negative ground, but you can put a little resistor on it, but that's really cool. I love all these oddball gauges. They're great when you're putting a gauge panel or a car together. You can kind of dig around. Something else cool in here.
I like that needle. How like thin it gets.
Yeah, that's a really, that'll match a lot of stuff. Hey, a little oil, trans cooler or oil cooler. I know, Moon. This isn't interesting. Thank you for that. We can actually, I don't know if I have one for my dad's car,
yeah.
but if we don't have one, we'll be using that. Thank you. Gosh, is there a letter in here? Nobody's sending us letters. That's it, I think. Oop. Somebody just cleaned out their garage and just was sending us stuff. So thank you for that. That's awesome. I'll be keeping a couple of things. We'll save some stuff for the Christmas giveaway, like if we don't end up needing the trans cooler.
You can't get it around the dog.
He's like, let me smell it.
Open that one.
Yes.
Smell
This one is from
That's right on the front there.
R. Schaefer in Eureka, California.
Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah.
I didn't know that's how you spell Eureka.
What's wrong, buddy?
it. Eureka.
Oh, jeez. I think we need to sharpen this.
I know. Get on it.
Dull knives are what cause accidents.
Who invited the safety lady?
He did.
I did actually.
Damn it, Matt.
There's a letter. You want to read it?
Uh,
Okay. Matt and Mike.
and Kate.
I enjoy watching you guys work on the old cars. I like how you make your show an educational program by telling us what you're going to do and then explaining it as you go. I came upon this old automotive mechanical book and was reminded that the auto industry had to educate the masses on how they worked. I thought you would like to add it to your library. I grew up in the 60s and saw people use beer tap handles for shifters. Sorry, this is not a Ham's beer tap.
Oh, Coors Light.
Killer. That could be used for a...
From Richard S.
Oh, it's cool. It's like got like an adapter to use already.
Ooh, this is cool.
Whoa.
I have one of these, but mine is like in much worse condition. This is literally like, it tells you how to work on everything. Like every transmission, engine, everything. I mean, anything you need to know how to work on a car, it's covered in here. Like, it's crazy. So look how, it's like, that is a thick book.
I love the old books, how they did the color edges
it's really
to the pages.
cool. But like I said, I have one in my collection, but it's like in way worse, I think it's in way worse
Carburetors,
condition.
the running gear.
So I might upgrade and give you guys for the Christmas in July giveaway the worst one.
It has Magneto stuff in here too. It's pretty
Yeah,
neat.
it covers like.
Jeez, this is a big book. 1,600 pages.
That'll do me good on a flight to California or something.
Yeah.
I can get a third of the way through each time.
Professional by the time you get home.
This is from William Hernander. William H. This is from Puerto Rico.
Wow.
Wow.
My mom lived there for a little bit of her life.
Maybe. Ooh, snacks, Moon.
Oh, he's uninterested now.
Oh, man. Puerto Rican coffee.
I feel like this is going to be really, really strong, and I'm really excited about it.
Oh, man. I can't wait to try this. I love all the coffees. We were just kind of like,
We need to start,
coffee.
Coffee exchange?
well, not even that, but we need to start like writing where we get our coffee from. Like we need to start like figuring out like
Try
Getting-
coffee from every state.
Yeah.
Every
That's
country.
a lot of coffee. Wow.
We'll
Wow.
go through it.
Oh my God, it's amazing. And one last one. So we literally have like every different type.
We'll be set for a while. We'll be highly caffeinated for a while.
Yeah, we're gonna split this up with Mike and divvy it up, and we'll kind of tell each other what we think of each style. And we'll be sending you a care package back. Thank you so much. Love the coffee.
Sorry, Moon, you can't have this. You would be even more wired than you normally are.
So next one is from Maverick Products. Sent us something. They had sent me a message getting our address, physical address, because it was so darn heavy. They wanted to send it UPS. So holy crap!
That's some cleaning supplies.
Oh my God!
There's more in there still. Jeez.
So they wanted us to try some of this out. This is not a paid promotion. This is literally just mail call, and we'll try it out. So this is concentrated concrete and driveway cleaner. He must have saw all the stains in the garage and was like, man, this isn't really.
He's like, didn't it?
Give him a chip.
So yeah, that's a driveway oil cleaner, and then this is, I believe, a rust industrial cleaner and some kind of rust cleaning solution. So thank you for that. We're going to be putting those to use, and we'll definitely hit you up if we need some more. So thank you for the product. It's always good to get supplies in the shop. That's awesome. So we'll show the logo. Force 5 is the name of their product there.
This leaks in transit,
Yeah, that's why they put it in the plastic bag.
which is great.
I think one is a rust product they told me to try out, and the other one was a cleaner. So we got that. Thank you for that. That's freaking awesome. So we'll be using that in future videos. Last one, I think,
Yes.
is from Edelbrock. So we got a shirt order from somebody,
yeah.
from somebody at Edelbrock recently, and exchanged text messages, was like, holy crap, wow. And he let us know that some of the guys at Edelbrock watch our channel, which is totally crazy to me. And this just showed up. So we got, oh, killer, Edelbrock hats. Thank you guys. And shit, my hands are probably dirty. I'll let you.
Oh, there's a bunch. Ooh.
So Smitty, that's right.
What?
That's a sweet shirt. Tarantula on the back.
Wow, that's killer.
I want
Awesome.
one.
All right, we might have to get a small for Kate.
I like this. It's way too big for me.
What size is it?
An extra large?
Perfect for Mike.
There.
So this is from Smitty. Thank you, Smitty. The name was escaping me right at that moment. Hey Matt, hope the tee fits. Enjoy the hats, and we'll talk soon. From Smitty. So thank you, Smitty at Edelbrock. Thank you. It's cool to see that some of these companies that were around since the beginning of hot rodding are still in business. We've already been promoting some of the other brands. Edelbrock's another great one. So make sure you're supporting these companies, because we need these old speed companies to stay in business. So thank you guys, really appreciate it. That is our mail call. If you guys are interested, we're going to be, I don't know, is this coming out before?
This will be after Carlisle.
Oh, all right. Well, watch the video at Carlisle, because we're going to already be at Carlisle. But thank you for the mail call items. Again, we'll be doing a Christmas in July video. We'll be doing a giveaway of some of this stuff and giving back. So I'll be pulling some stuff off the shelves of my own and sharing it with you guys, and then also some sponsor type stuff. So thank you for the snacks, the gauges, the everything. We really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.
Catch you later.